I started growing bottle gourds in 2020. I made a shelf in the parking lot. Vines are crawling on the shelves. This bottle gourd is thick and long. Length 23.6 inch. Diameter 7 inch. Weight 13.2 pounds. The peel can be easily cut. The widths are not aligned. I watched the YouTube video on how to peel the peel. The first cut is difficult. I'm not a good peeler. It got thick. I shaved off the thicker areas later. I'll remove the seeds from the core and use them to make miso soup. Finished peeled. And then let them dry in the sun. 4 hours after drying. In the evening it's still half dry. Dry for one more day to make dry bottle gourd. After drying, put them in a zippered plastic bag, add a desiccant and store them with as little air as possible. Dry bottle gourd is used for kobamaki, kelp rolls.